Patrol Academy!
Hey friends, I'm Mr. Boom Boom and welcome back to my music room. Today we're doing a djembe lesson. I am so excited to play my new djembe drum for you all today. I'm going to teach you a new drum pattern and we're going to play to a really fun song. I can't wait. Now, if you're ready for music, I want to know if you can clap your hands. If you're ready for music, can you say, "Oh yeah"? Oh yeah, awesome. Now, before we start our djembe lesson, let's head over to my keyboard and we can sing the hello song. Let's go. It's such a beautiful day. The birds are singing and they say, "Would you like to be my friend today?" I'm Mr. Boom Boom, it's nice to see you. I've been waiting all day to ask you, would you like to be my friend? Come on and be my friend. Tell me, will you be my friend today? So how about it? Will you be my friend today? You will? Awesome! Let's start our lesson. Let's learn our two drum patterns that we're going to play to the song Speaking of Africa. Now, just a reminder, when we play our djembe drums, the middle gives us the low sound and the edge gives us the high sound. And when we put it together, we can play a drum pattern or a beat like this. Or we can go like this. But don't worry, we're not going to go that fast yet. Now, let's learn our first pattern. It goes like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Now, I'm using my right hand in the middle of the drum, and that's because I write letters with my right hand. So it's called our dominant hand. Our dominant hand is the one that we're going to use in the middle of the djembe drum. And our other hand will go on the edge. For our friends that like to throw footballs or write with their left hand, you're going to do the opposite. Put that hand on the middle of the drum and your right hand on the edge. All right, so I'm going to switch because I like to throw footballs and write letters with my right hand. All right, so it's going to go right here. Let's play the pattern one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Let's do it a little bit faster. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 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 stop. Very good. Let's learn the second pattern. It goes like this. 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and. That pattern is a foundational pattern that's played in music throughout the world. Let's do it again and we're going to speed it up just a bit. 1, 2, here we go. 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and 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 stop. All right, let's put it together. Let's play both patterns back to back, starting with pattern 1. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Pattern 2, here we go. 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and 1, a 2, and pattern 1. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Pattern 2. 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and stop. All right, let's have some fun. We're gonna start off with pattern 1. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, Watch your hand placement. Right hand in the middle, left hand on the edge. If you're right-handed, if you're left-handed, the opposite. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Pattern 2, here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Always count the pattern out in your head as you play. Same pattern. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Back to pattern 1. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Same pattern a little bit louder. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Let's switch back to pattern 2. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Keep it going. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. All right, we're at the end. 1, 2, 3, and drum roll! Hey, if you're enjoying this video, make sure your grown-ups hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure they follow me on social media as well. That was so much fun. I really enjoyed playing my djembe drum with you all today. Did you have fun? Oh yeah! Now our lesson is over, but it's okay because I have even more videos. Your grown-up can click the playlist down below. And also grown-ups, we need your help. If you all enjoyed rocking out with me today, please hit the like button for this video and please subscribe to our channel. That way more people will be able to find our lessons and we can share our love for music around the world. Now, it's time to sing our goodbye song, so let's head over to the piano and sing. We had fun and sang some songs. Aren't you glad that you came along? I'm so glad that you're my friend. Come back and join me again. And don't be sad, I'll be your friend every day. So until next time, friends, don't forget you all are special and loved. I'll see you again soon, friends. Bye. Continuing our mission of providing high-quality music education to children, regardless of their location or income. Whether you're looking for fun activities at home, movement breaks for your classroom, or full music lessons, everything you need will be in one place. But before the full launch in January, we're looking for 20 test users in November to get an early look and to help us shape the platform. If you want to be one of the first to explore Play Patrol Academy, give feedback, and help us develop the website, you can send us an email today at academy@playpatrolcompany.com.